from the Everyday Pro Investor team here. Just doing a quick video to update you. I'm sure Brian already mentioned, but we're both kind of working remote this week, so it's hard to coordinate a live video. But looking back at last week, we did get the pullback in the first half of the week that I mentioned, at least for Monday and Tuesday. It wasn't quite as much of a pullback as I was expecting, but it at least retraced a little bit. And then it turned and finished the week basically flat, slightly down. And it is now Monday, so the market opened up. So that might be, I'm thinking, all that we get. I don't know, this week could be flat to up. I know if we hit that 29 or 290 level, that's definitely a positive note for the market. So in terms of what I'm looking for this week, you know, there's not really anything that I'm looking for in particular other than opportunities to kind of double down in the stocks that I own. Not really looking for any options trades unless the market puts in another overbought signal. Then I might look to pick up some protection plays, but that's pretty much standard in this environment. So but really just looking to add to any of my core positions if there's any opportunities. Haven't really identified any new opportunities, new names to get into. Just kind of sticking with the core names. One thing we mentioned on the last podcast, or last video, excuse me, is Wingstop. Looks like they're opening up even higher this week. Really don't know what to say about it. I got out of all of my positions just because I made a good return, as I mentioned last week, and there's really no reason for it to be climbing at the rate that it's climbing. So yeah, just really nothing to say about it at this point. I would expect it to come back down, but I don't know, we'll have to wait and see. Would love to get back in that name. But that's it for me, guys. Have a good week.